Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can use Google Lens to reverse search images and also extract text from your screen. If you don't know, Google Lens is a powerful tool that can reverse search images, and that basically means that it can point out that from which source an image has actually originated, and it can also recognize text, which can help you in copying the text which is embedded in an image or is not copyable. So let's see how to use Google Lens. Let's open our Google Chrome. Now, while browsing, you may search for something like a car, and while you browse its images, you might come across one of the cars which will be eye-catching and you wanted to know more about it. For example, let's say this one. Now, it's nowhere mentioned the name of the car, and for example, you don't know about it. So in this case, what you can actually do is just click on those three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then you need to find the search with Google Lens option. Click on it and it will open a snapping tool. Using this snapping tool, you can simply snap this particular picture of the car like this. And now it reverse searches the images and you can see the original image posted by this particular website. And now you can also see the name of this car from various sources. Like from the YouTube, it says that this is the Maserati MC20. And you can confirm it from various other websites as well. That this car is the Maserati MC20. Now, this is how we reverse search an image. Now, let's try to extract text from the web. For example, this particular text here is not copyable. You can't copy it. So let's see how to use Google Lens to copy this particular text. Simply follow those previous steps and click on the search with Google Lens. Now just name this particular text right here and you can see the select text option. Click on the select text option and you can choose to copy it or also translate it. Let's see them one by one. For example, if we copy it, it has been copied. And now we can paste it here or anywhere you would like to. Now let's try to translate the text. To translate it, you simply need to snap it and then hit translate. Now you can choose any of the languages. For example, let's choose something like Chinese. And here we go. Now you are seeing the translated version of the above text. Now you see how easy it is. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Make sure you subscribe our channel, comment on the video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.